Hello friends, today I will tell you how you can make 20 to $30 per sale and make $100 up to per day. If you get 3 sales per day, you can make more than $100. It is very easy and it is the best e-commerce site anywhere in the world. You can try it, you can get the links, get approval instantly. And how you get to promote this link. This is the best affiliate marketing network that you can make millions of dollars from this only, because affiliate market is the $1 billion industry. If you put the hands on that, then you can make a lot of money. How it is possible? Because if so many of the people are making money throughout the affiliate marketing, it is a very easy process. So we are going to show you how it can. Okay, see here, if I sell this doing service for affiliate marketing system, these are selling the course of 5. If you did sell this course, then you can make $547, nearly $550. 550 euros is more than the dollar price. Why should if you get one sale from this, then you can make more than $500. How it is possible? If you get a single gateway payment, single sale, then you can get payment. There are so many low. If you sell this, you can get $36 instantly to your account. These payments come to your PayPal account. First, see here, you have to copy this and write an article on your blog, or you have to do not promote the link directly throughout your Facebook. There are so many methods. You have to must write the blog and publish the article in your blog, and then after you have to share the links in the different type of platform. If you want instant sales, then you have to follow our recent video how to get the traffic. There are so many video links in the description. If you are beginner, then start with $1 trial video. We have give you one link, then you can get backlinks from throughout that. You can get instant traffic and you can get instant sales also. This is the best way to you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars per day. It is a very easy. So many of people are making money online throughout this. If you're not believing me, then come to our Instagram. We will show you some of the real screenshots of the peoples who are making money online through this. We will daily keeping updating our Instagram post with so many proof and motivation videos. You have to come and check it out our Instagram and check what are the payment proof, and go to the website. Our website, so many social media links will keeping with that updating. You have to check all the links and join us of making money online group, because these groups are making the money what you want to be success, because so many of people are success nowadays. Because if I tell you how you can be, then I will put your link here. It is totally free. You have to get a single sale. If you get a single sale, then you can $36 or $150. What maybe the product, you have to sell it and sell it online. What may be the product, just you have to sell it online. The sale, if you get one sale and at least one sale, then you can get $500. If you low ticket, the minimum $30. If it is a easy way, it is a win-win situation. You have no loss in this business, but you have to bring the traffic. Traffic is the most important of generating in the sale, because if you get 1 million of if you get 100 subscription, then you will chance to win one sale is the 1% sale. If you get if you get 1,000 traffic, it is chance to you sell 5 or 6 product at a time. So you have to bring as much traffic as you want in your website, because more traffic, it means more leads. More leads means you have generating your sales very easily. You have to nothing to do. You have to startingly do the one sale at least per day. If you are slowly building your business, then it will automatically, you can pay a lot of paying tools and buy all the tools and you can instantly promote your website throughout this network. It is worldwide network. You can sell anywhere. If you are sitting in US, and you can sell from New York or Germany or Russia or France, Italy, somewhere in the world, India or Pakistan, somewhere you can sell anywhere if you want to sell. It is a very easy way to making money online, because if some of the affiliate networks are not promoting the limitation, and some of the limitations they are keeping us, because they not give this much of amount. If you sell the any product, then you get only $1 or $3, or more than 10, more means $10. In this you can start with $30 and make unlimited dollars from this, and very easy way. We have give you cheapest tool providing you to make money online. It is a very cheapest tools we have provide you, how you can generate the traffic, how you can SEO your traffic, how you can generate the leads. And we have created one of the best software, the affiliate marketers, who can promote the website throughout that. If you have to buy one tool, website tool, that if you have to paste that link in your affiliate link through that website, through that tool, then you will automatically get an article from that, what in the description of that affiliate link. Then you have to nothing to work more, in no need to trust, no need to heavy duty to give the work, no need to write the articles, no need to do anything. Best way to promote your affiliate links throughout that. This is the so many niche they are providing: business, betting systems, business, investment, computer and internet, so much food product, weight loss product, job, employment, languages, personality development, personal development services, social media services, and more tools they are providing for you. If you want to be a grow yourself, then you have to try this. This product will nothing, but you have to get an instant amount of sale. No need to worry. You have to join now. This is for free, and our subscription button also free. If you have to any doubts, then subscribe our channel, comment us, and we will find out the answer, and we will tell you, because we have trying to you should make money online. During this lockdowns, so many of people are losing their jobs, but this affiliate marketing nowadays doing more and more effort to bring the sales. They are doing daily by daily sales, but we are only silent sitting at home. This is the time for you. You can also make money online. There are so many types of making money online system. So if you want more, then you have to subscribe and go our website, give us your mail ID and subscribe our website also. Then if